Now we'll deal with the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Here you must remember that first we are studying about the preparation of gas, hydrogen chloride gas, and then we will study about the preparation of hydrogen chloride acid, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so first method for preparation is when we will combine hydrogen and chlorine. Directly we are combining the respective molecules. Then what we will get is 2 molecules of HCl. And what is the condition required here? Here we require diffused sunlight. Okay, this diffused sunlight is favorable. And why the other things are not favorable? What will happen? If it will get a direct sunlight, then this reaction will prove to be eruptive. If there is direct sunlight, then there may be some blast occurring through this, so this direct sunlight is avoided. Then there is one more condition. If we conduct this reaction in dark conditions without the presence of any light, then that reaction won't occur. So if you want that this reaction should occur in a feasible average rate, then what we need, we require the presence of diffused sunlight. So by diffused sunlight, what do you understand? Suppose there is a bottle, okay, and the sunlight is overhead it, or sunlight is over it. Then this sunlight is not passing directly to the contents of this bottle, but this light is first absorbed by the glass and then it is being passed on. So this type of light will be known as diffused. Why diffused? Because the intensity of this light has decreased. Okay, when the intensity is decreasing, such light will be known as diffused sunlight. Then first is this reaction. Then this method is known as synthesis or direct combination. Why it is known as synthesis or direct combination? Because here both these elements are directly combined. Okay. Then there's another method. There's another method. For that you can remember one trick. S plus A will give you S plus A. Okay. Salt plus acid will give you salt plus acid. We need to prepare acid HCl. Okay. For this HCl, we can take one salt here, NaCl, and one acid we can take it as H2SO4. So when the temperature conditions will be more than 200 degrees Celsius, what will get one salt as Na2SO4 plus acid HCl. So here this is not an acid, this is the gas is produced here. So salt plus acid is giving you another salt plus acid. One thing you must remember here, that if the temperature is greater than 200 degrees Celsius, then you will get Na2SO4. But if the temperature is less than 200 degrees Celsius, you will get NaHSO4. Rest all things will be same. Only the salt will differ. This is normal salt and this is acidic salt. So these are the two methods for preparation of hydrogen chloride gas.